so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a banana blueberry smoothie. Okay, so before I go, as is customary, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing my video. Thank you so much for commenting. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time and effort. Okay, and as I go into this new video, remember to follow me on all social at Andy. Okay guys, thank you so much. So let's dive right into the main video. Okay, it's my banana blueberry smoothie. Yes, here I have some frozen blueberry in this container. Frozen blueberry. And I have 2 bananas. I have some yogurt. I'm using this one this time. And I have some almond milk, which is silk, that I'm gonna be using. You can choose to use any milk you prefer or any yogurt, it doesn't matter. Whilst you're making my smoothie and you're trying it out and tell me how it tastes. Okay guys, thank you so much. So let's add these fruits to the blender. I'm gonna add the blueberries already frozen. Might use some cube ice, guys, because the banana not frozen. Okay. All right. So let's do this. This aside. Add some yogurt to this. Okay. This yogurt is a probiotics, low-fat yogurt, plain. Not my favorite, but yeah, maybe your favorite. You can go ahead and try it. I'm roughly going to use a glass of milk. Gonna add some cube ice, guys. So guys, I forgot my whipped cream. This will be added on to it. I'm gonna just add a little bit of sweetness to it. So using the blue agave, I'm gonna cover and blend. And there I have it guys, all done. My banana blueberry smoothie. So I'm gonna glass this now. Ooh, so delicious. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that guys. It looks so tasty and so good. And I'm gonna add just whip up some cream on top. And there you have it guys, all done guys. Banana blueberry smoothie with whipped cream. Okay, I'm gonna taste it for you. So allow me to taste this for you guys. See? So delicious, guys. It is so delicious. So delicious. Go ahead and try it. Run out on this one, guys. Run out on this one. This one is real. So go ahead and try this smoothie, guys. You will love it. Alright? Let me add some more whipping. Ooh. It's so nice. I have to do it twice. So nice, guys. So what I have in this smoothie again, I have 2 bananas, some blueberry, I put some agave for sweetener, yogurt, milk, and the whipped cream on top. Go ahead and try it, guys. You will love it. Okay, so until my next, remember to like, share, and comment. Until my next video, when you see me again, there's another bomb smoothie. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.